Oh, here we are, deep inside of your brain. Many people think that while they're sleeping, their brains are sleeping too. Oh no, our brains are always active, filled and fueled by chemical reactions. Billions of nerve cells constantly transmitting information. The brain works by forming networks among these neurons. Each neuron has a job to communicate with other neurons. Here, two neurons are linking up. Though it looks like they are fused together, they actually don't touch at all. This information is your emotions, controls your organs, and your bodily functions. Small sacs storing chemical molecules are stimulated with an electrical zap, releasing their molecules across the synaptic gap and transferring information.
Neurotransmitters, how are you this evening?
Good to see you. Now, Central Headquarters is watching. I just spoke to them. And I'd really like some enthusiasm. Can I hear your electrical currents zapping? Good. Okay, good. I think these neurotransmitters are ready. I have received an order from Central Headquarters that this body is ready for sleep. Deep breath. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Keep it going, neurotransmitters.
Oh, that was a good one.
Very good.
That was a good one.
Good.
That's okay.
Great.
The brain is a hectic place sometimes.
The neurotransmitters in your brainstem are having you drift in and out of sleep. Your brainwaves are slowing with occasional bursts of rapid wave activity. As you sink deeper into this sleeping state, your brainwaves continue to slow.
This is Sergeant Peptide. We're getting ready to leave the Delta Bravo beta wave signal and start transmitting a rapid eye movement signal. Preparation commence. Dream sequence 1.
Dreams. So delicious. A slurp of this, a sip of that. Yummy. Oh, I love digestion. Oh, you may be wondering who I am. I am Dream Dentata, the invisible voice created when your thoughts, experiences, and memories turn into dreams.
I used to dream that I was in Star Trek when I was about 6 and I was a unicorn. And I would hang out next to Captain Kirk and go on away missions with him.
That's pretty amazing. what we're gonna do here in our brain is take our dreams and we're gonna create an image collage with all of us here tonight. Have you thought of a sound?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a sound of a dream.
Yahoo!
Can everyone say Yahoo? Yahoo! Yahoo! Let's keep going. Yahoo! 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 Alright, pause. Alright. Have you thought of your action? Yes. Okay. So our good neurotransmitter friend here is going to have an action that he's going to perform for us, and each of you are going to come up with your own individual reaction to that. You ready? You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right.